Good morning. Today we're in the gated community of Lake Grove Estates, located off of Roby's Way in beautiful Palm City, Florida. I'm Matt Walsh with eXp Realty. Let's get started with our driving tour. So right now we're on the main road in here, which is Lake Grove Circle, and this is just a big circle that runs around the community. So this neighborhood has approximately 64 single-family homes that were built between 1994 and 2002. So the homes range in size from here from 2,000 square feet to over 4,500 square feet. And then in the last 6 months, the average sale price in here is around $720,000. So you can see this is a beautiful neighborhood with expensive homes in here. It's got beautiful, gorgeous trees in here, mature trees. It really is a great neighborhood. And the HOA fee in here is approximately $100 per month. And then this community does offer a boat and RV storage area, which we'll see, and then some tennis courts for its residents. But we are in a pet-friendly neighborhood. We are located in the Martin County A-rated school systems, with the younger children attending Palm City Elementary School, and then we have Hidden Oaks Middle School, and then the older kids attend Martin County High School. And again, we are community located close to I-95 and the Florida Turnpike. We're close to shopping, to the restaurants, to the parks, to the medical centers, and then of course the Martin County beaches. But over here you can see the community tennis court, and then back in there is the storage area to park your boat or your RV. And then we're going to take a look over here. This is beautiful in here. This is the beautiful lake in the middle of the community. Nice gazebo out here. Nice little dock where you can come out and sit and enjoy the beautiful weather and the beautiful lake. But that's it. I'm Matt Walsh with eXp Realty. If you're thinking of buying or selling in Lake Grove Estates, please call me anytime. Thank you and have a great day.